Morphological and anatomical study of supply specimen, that is cycas, stem and leaflet. Generally, the cycas, there are three parts in their body, in their plant body, that is root. In case of cycas, the root is two types, that is normal root from the taproot system and coralloid roots. This normal taproot are positively geotropic and grow deep into the soil, generally possess. And from the normal roots develop some lateral branches near the ground surface. These lateral roots get infected with some bacteria, fungi, and algae and are called as polaroid roots. The stem of cycas is thick, woody, and usually unbranched. It is tuberous when young, but columnar, erect, and stout at maturity. Branching in stem also not rare after the plant have reached a certain age. The leaves of the cycas are mainly of two types of leaves are present. That is, the one is called the foliage leaf. These leaves green, large, pinnately compound and stout. Leaves with a spiny petiole and large, strong racees. These are produced at the apex of stem in the form of crown. The racees bears many leaflets. Cycas leaf is very large and may reach up to 3 meters in length in some species such as Cycas thorsi. Two rows of pinnae of the leaves may alternate and opposite. And the second type of leaves which is seen in cycas is the scaly leaves or cataphyls. These are dry, brown colored, somewhat triangular leaves with their own end point, one end pointed. These are present at the apex of the stem and remain covered with several ramental hairs. So these are the morphological changes, morphological characteristics we have seen in cycas. And regarding the anatomical changes, we have make transverse sections of the stem and the leaflet and observe in the microscope, and we have seen that and the cycas, we have seen normal root. In the root sections, we have seen it is circular in outline and resembles strictly with the dicotyledons. The outermost layer is epilemma or exodermis, which surrounds the large parenchymatous cortex, and epilemma consists of tangentially elongated cells. From some of its cells arise root hairs. The stem anatomy similar to root is also similar to root. The stem of cycas also resembles entirely with the dicotyledon stem. It shows epidermis is the outermost layer consisting of compactly arranged thick-walled cells. These are epidermal cells, compactly arranged epidermal cells. Cortex is large and consists of thin-walled parenchymatous cells and filled densely with starch grain. Cambium is present in the form of narrow strips in each of the vascular bundle. The xylem is endark. The strength of the stem is mainly due to the presence of woody leaf bases in the surface. Phelogen is produced in the periphery of the cortex. It produces cork. Regarding the section of the leaf, we have found different layers of cells in the leaf also, and surface of the leaf is covered by a single layered epidermis. The cells of the upper epidermis are strictly thick-walled. Sunken stomata are also present in the epidermis. The mesophil is differentiated into the upper palisade and lower spongy parenchyma. spina is supplied by a single undivided vein. The vascular bundles are surrounded by pericycle. So these are the characteristic features of anatomy of the cycas, leaf and stem.